Hello, welcome back guys to Spotlight channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to completely set up on phone on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, but here I prefer to use the Wi-Fi. And then to finish or complete the setup phone, you just have to scroll down and go to the notifications page. And here you will see at the first option, which is Android setup, finish setting up your device. You just have to click on it and now tap on the start button. And now at this page, you can copy your data, guys. But here I'm not going to copy any data, so here I'm going to tap on don't copy at the bottom and tap on don't copy again. And at this page, you can set a pin for your lock screen, guys. But here I'm going to set up later. I'm going to tap on the skip one and tap on skip again. I'm going to set up it from settings later. So here, you can also let your contacts maybe find another shares with you, which is another contact or device. I'm going to tap on more. Here, click at I agree. At this page, tap on the continue to personal AI assistant. I'm going to tap on continue and now turn on first. And after, for the payment method, guys, I'm going to tap on the skip one. And yeah, when it's back to this home screen page, it means your setup phone is already completed or finished. And here, you cannot find for the setup device anymore. And I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.